Hey guys, today we are in Audi Q7 4M with MMI system, and I'm going to show you how to update the navigation maps over here. So first thing that we need to do is check which version we have installed over here right now. So in the main menu, go to settings, and right now in settings, push the control wheel to the left. This will open this. Go into system maintenance and scroll down to version information, and over here we have information about the navigation database. So we have the East and Central Europe, and this is pretty old map, about 5 years old right now. Okay, so we know that we need an update over here, so maybe let's go back, and let's check if the system is equipped with the license code for new maps. So what we need to do is go into hidden red menu. We need to use the control panel over here. We need to push this switch forward and pull this switch backwards. So I'm going to do this right now. Keep it in this position for about 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds we will have the hidden red menu over here. So we can go to version information first, just to confirm that this is MMI MIB2 High based system. This first part of the current version string is important. We have the MIB2 and there's a Q because there's also this variant of the Q software trains. So if you have MHI2 or MHI2Q, you are good to go. If you have something else like MHS or MST or something else, this is not for you. So right now, let's go back, let's go into system, and let's go into activation keys, and we are looking for key for maps, and I believe this is it, 023000EE, and it's legal, so we are good to go. So right now we are going to download and prepare the update on the SD card. Okay, so your next step is to download the maps package. There are links in the description below. You can pick just one link because those are the same files but on different servers. It doesn't matter which one you pick, just pick one and download it. And when it's downloaded, you will have it like this large 7-zip file. You need to right click it and extract it. I've installed 7-zip to extract it, and here it is extracted. This is how it looks. And on the right side, we can see that I have inserted an SD card. It's over here. It's a 64 gigs SD card. I believe you can also go with a thumb drive, but I'm going to use SD card. So right click it, go into format, and select FAT32. Oh, there's no FAT32. Let's go with exFAT and let's check if that's going to work. Let's call it maps. Format the card. Okay. Done. Now let's go into the card, and we need to copy those files, this and those two directories, like so. And right now we just need to wait. Okay, so here we are. Card is ready, engine is running. You need to make sure that either the engine is running or you have a power connection over here, because this will take about 1 hour. Well, it took 40 minutes to copy to the card, so I believe it will take roughly the same time to copy from the card to the vehicle. Over here in the glove box we have the mine unit, and we need to insert the card into the SD1 port. And once the card is over here, system is on. Once again, we are going to settings, push the control wheel to the left to open this selection menu, go to system maintenance, go to system update, and we can see that the SD1 is available. So let's press it. Let's wait a couple seconds. It will validate if the data on the SD card is correct, if it's designed for this vehicle, if the activation code which we checked previously is also valid, if it's matching the content of the card. And after a few more seconds, I believe the update should be able to start. Couple more seconds and we have it. Right now let's press start update. The update is being performed in the background. You can still use the navigation system and so on, and we have this nice progress bar. It's 11:47, so we will check how long it will take. So right now the vehicle will be running over here, the update will be performed, and let me just tell you why you want to do this update, since there's CarPlay and Android Auto and other functions that will enable much better navigation systems than the stock ones, than the original ones. Well, there are two reasons. One, you don't have Android Auto or CarPlay and you want your navigation maps to be up to date, and two, you have a vehicle equipped with, for example, predictive cruise control. This means that the vehicle is using the front-facing radars and other cool stuff to know what's the distance between you and the vehicle in front of you, and will adjust the speed. But also, if there's nothing in front of you, it will check the navigation database to make sure what's the road like in front of you. So, for example, if you are coming to a turn, it will adjust the speed even though there's nothing in front of you. So you have your cruise control set to, let's say, 60 miles per hour, and if there's a strong turn, it will adjust the speed just to make sure you are traveling at safe speeds. Also, if you are coming to an intersection, it will enable the side lights. It will make sure that both sides of the vehicles are illuminated properly. So those are the reasons, two main reasons to update those maps. And 5 minutes later, we are at 12%. So 50 minutes, I believe, to go to 100, maybe 40 minutes. So let's wait. And just so you know, you have this progress bar over here. You can use the system normally, you can drive your vehicle and even use the maps, the old maps, which are still available over here. And other thing, this package that you downloaded, that's linked in the description below this video, is designed for all vehicles with MHI2 system. So it doesn't matter if it's Audi, Seat, Skoda, Volkswagen, Bentley or Porsche. As long as the system is MHI2, you can use this downloaded files to update maps. Of course, as long as the license, the activation key over here in the unit is valid. If you are curious how to get this license code in your unit, well, I just want to tell you to check this video. It looks like we are done, so let's confirm it. Let's go to version information again, and yeah, we can see that we have new maps in the vehicle. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.